one of the purposes of English 240 and English 250 is to reiterate the research skills that you learned in English 102. So, as part of those skills, you learned that the scholarly article is a very different sort of beast. It's not something that you read from beginning to end the way you read a short story or a novel. Rather, it's something you need a strategy to dissect and extract the information that you want. This YouTube video is an excellent description of how you break that apart and approach the scholarly article. So I want you to watch this, and then I want you to start reading for your activity 1, where you're going to be listing your sources and giving their citations, and then for activity 2, where you are going to be giving the main points of the article and looking at the gaps. That is, what isn't said. And as you're doing this, one thing I want you to keep in mind is that you should always put your notes in your own words. You don't want to have quotations. You want to have summaries and paraphrases. That is, you are repeating their idea, but saying it in your own language. And you must cite those paraphrases, because it's still not your idea. Not only does it give credit where credit's due, but it makes you look intelligent, because it's showing, yes, I have done my due diligence. I have seen what other scholars have said. I can summarize their points, and then I can move on to my own point. Because that's the purpose of college research papers. It's to say, here's what other people have said. Here's my close reading and how I'm moving beyond. I'm pushing the conversation one step further with my own unique reading of this novel, graphic novel, fill in the blank. So, practice that, post your sources, and get reading. But remember, read smarter, not harder.